Let's hit it.
This is my story, this is my life, this is how I live my life, and you can never anything else that you can do. I got my finger stuck down the drain. I was trying to clean my own brain. I had a Q-tip, lost it. Now it's stuck inside my earlobes. I didn't even need to pierce my lips. But now I broke my hip. I fell down the stairs. I got lost.
My house so clean, and I don't need to use Fabreeze. I made her laugh so hard she started to weep. She had asthmatics, wait, get her inhaler. She said she wanted to talk about Vlad the Impaler, cause she has a history product. I said, okay, let's Yahoo him, look him up on that TV. She said she thirsty and she want that purple drink. Not no Gatorade, she want that Powerade. She said she needed to relax with some broccoli, so I steamed it up and added some cheese and bacon bits. I just cleaned and I don't need no Fabreeze. I just got her a tissue cause she just sneezed. She said she wants something acidic, so I get some sour candy and shared it with my good friend Randy. I took her home last night and we ate steak. I told her I went to work early by mistake. She took a nap and I went to outside to rake the leaves. And then I went to the bathroom and there I saw it. Oh no, the Fabreeze. My house so clean, and I don't need to use Fabreeze. I made her laugh so hard she started to weep. She had asthmatics, wait, get her inhaler. She said she wanted to talk about Vlad the Impaler, cause she has a history product. I said, okay, let's Yahoo him, look him up on that TV. She said she thirsty and she want that purple drink. Not no Gatorade, she want that Powerade. She said she needed to relax with some broccoli, so I steamed it up and added some cheese and bacon bits. I started to cry because my hopes had just died, and now I gotta clean for her. Her house so clean she threw out the Fabreeze. Every time she laughs she starts to wheeze. I get her inhaler and steam up some broccoli with the melted cheese. She said she wanted bars, and now we do polos together. She called me screaming in the night. She had a nightmare about Fabreeze. It was spraying her and started to make her sneeze. So I grabbed my keys and went on a drive. My house so clean, and I don't need to use Fabreeze. I made her laugh so hard she started to weep. She had asthmatics, wait, get her inhaler. She said she wanted to talk about Vlad the Impaler, cause she has a history product. I said, okay, let's Yahoo him, look him up on that TV. She said she thirsty and she want that purple drink. Not no Gatorade, she want that Powerade. She said she needed to relax with some broccoli, so I steamed it up and added some cheese and bacon bits. Came to her with McDonald's, but they forgot my fries. Never mind, I found them. They were on the table. In fact, they accidentally gave me two. I called and told them thank you. She sneezed and I gave her a tissue. She said to look and check for monsters, so I looked in the closet and didn't see anything. Looked under the bed and I hit my head out of fear. A can of Fabreeze lies sitting there. What a scare, how dare someone put tape on the spray part of the bottle and make a Fabreeze bomb. I explained why her room smelled like lilacs and lavender. Found out she has a brother. It was him. I axe-bombed him and now he smells like a 7th grader. Haha, he's actually in 8th grade. Tomorrow at school, people will laugh and say, what, is this last year? Why take an axe shower when you can just bathe and drink purple Powerade?